On with the Aldi theme, Spanish Aldi. I noticed whilst I was in there earlier that they didn't have any Rheinbacher, the Rheinbacher stuff that we get in the UK. You know, we get Rheinbacher pills, and then they'll bring in occasional specials. What they did have is called Schultenbrau pills, and it's a very, should we say, it's a similar looking can. I've had to look at the Rheinbacher can, and it doesn't look exactly the same, so I don't know whether it's brewed by the same people. Rheinbacher pills being 4.5%, this is 4.9, so I'm guessing that it is actually a different beer. But the reason why I wanted to try it was because I've had a Rheinbacher pills quite recently, and it's okay, you know, it's decent enough. It's about 6, maybe a 7 out of 10 I think I gave it. I just wondered what its Spanish Aldi equivalent was gonna be scored, and I think I can remember enough about it that I'll be able to compare the two. I'm looking at this straight away. This seems to have more colour to it. I mean, where this is a bit of a difficulty is that it's kind of like getting late, the sky's going a bit glowing, so maybe it is the same colour, I don't know. I think this is kind of like slightly darker. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. The other one's more of a straw coloured beer, but it does have similar characteristics. No head on it particularly. I think the Rheinbacher, when it was first poured, had quite a nice head on it though, actually. So yeah, this is also 100% malt, so I'd expect this to be malty. It doesn't smell as strong of malt as I'd expect, but there is slightly more of an aroma there than there is with Rheinbacher pills, which really doesn't smell of a lot. This smells of malt. This was around about 70-80 cents for a can. Dirt cheap, obviously. If you've seen the earlier ones, my god, there's some cheap beer there. Anyway, here's to your good health. Do you know what? There's a little bit more malt taste than the Rheinbacher pills, but where it differs big time is the finish. The finish on Rheinbacher pills is decent. This dry, is bitter as you'd want from the pills. That's up a notch. That's got a really good finish. Like that's almost tingly, tangy. Proper like lemon peel. That real, yeah, it's good. No doubt about it. There's more to this beer, and it's once again showing that we're paying for more for what is a nice beer, but it's a lesser beer compared to this, and considering that this is a Pilsner style beer, it's doing it a lot better. That's a really nice Pilsner actually. Now I've had a couple of mouthfuls of it. That's a fantastic Pilsner for the price, and looks great, doesn't it? Not that they'll be helping Germany after their World Cup result last night, but there you go. Here's to your good health. Hope that anyone watching this does get the opportunity to get over to Spain and try Aldi's selection of beers, because they're phenomenal for the price.